Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Nissan key fob. This is their all-new fob for 23, and this is out of a Nissan Rogue. You're going to need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. And I'm also going to be using a flat tip screwdriver. About this size is best. The manual suggests you wrap this in a cloth ahead of time, but I think that's a little unnecessary. So first, push this over and pull your mechanical key out. Now what you want to do is, in between this trim piece, this silver trim piece, and this top black piece, you can insert your screwdriver and just work the two halves apart. Okay, I have the two halves apart now. Now I have access to my dead battery. Pull that out. New battery goes in this orientation, and you just want to gently squeeze these two back together. You can check it right here. Make sure your red light's working and you're back in business. Put your mechanical key in and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.